I'm Dr. Brad Roach. I've been a veterinarian for 36 years now. I founded a Holistic Pet Care Center. We've just been running full blast with educating people about holistic medicine and what it can do for pets.
My name is Casey Marshall. I'm a veterinarian here at Holistic Pet Care Center. We focus more on integrative medicine and holistic medicine, meaning that we really look at the whole body picture of every patient that we see. We're not just concerned about the heart disease that they might be coming with. We're concerned about their mouth and their joints and how they're doing at home too.
I love working here with our doctors because they're able to seamlessly blend holistic and conventional medicine.
Here at Holistic Pet Care Center, we do offer alternative options than you would find at a traditional clinic. A few of those include prolotherapy, which is good for dogs that are having issues with joint pain and things like that. PRP, which is similar to Prolo, but it uses the platelets from the dog's actual blood. We offer acupuncture, chiropractic, electroacupuncture, and laser therapy. We treat every patient on like a case-by-case basis. So we tailor a treatment plan to that patient specifically.
We offer alternative cancer therapies, so we're able to help give them holistic care. Sometimes that's supportive palliative care. We do offer a lot of alternatives for skin and allergies. A lot of the time people come to see us, they're already seen 2 or 3 doctors and are kind of at the end of their rope. So that's really rewarding to see those people come in and try something completely different and see real results.
Dogs don't have placebo. So some critics might say, well, they're just dogs and they don't understand, but if the dogs gets well, they're not thinking they got better like people. So they really actually are getting better with these holistic modalities, and it's really fun to watch. About 9 to 10 years into my practice, I really felt the urge that I needed to get more tools because I kept running across cases that wouldn't get better. In fact, I had one case that actually had a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory given by another veterinarian, and it actually ruptured his bowel. I kept thinking there's got to be something better than just antibiotics and pain medicine. I first started with photonic therapy to learn the acupuncture points. It wasn't long after that I realized I needed to get some formal training in acupuncture, and so I did that. And then after that, I decided, well, let's get some chiropractic. So we did the same thing again a couple years later. Well, we threw a whole year of study in chiropractic. A lot of times we do chiropractic and injections and acupuncture all on the same patient because we just do what it takes. Because in our clinic, one of our core values is results matter. What stands us apart from other vets is that we make decisions like we would for our own pets. And our clients really trust us because we make decisions for their pets, sometimes even against what the financial decision would be for us. And so, and we will do that in a heartbeat to make it easier on the pet, or just for financial considerations for the owner. If they come in and say, I only got this much to work with, we can do that too. So holistic medicine just isn't for the well-to-do, it's for everybody. What a lot of people notice right away about coming into our facility, they get routed into the reception and they get weighed and then put in the exam room. And the exam rooms, we usually get some wows because, well, my wife decorated all those rooms. I'm kind of proud of that because she made it to where they don't feel like an exam room. There's no stainless steel in there. It's all kind of set up like a living room. And that's where these dogs are coming from living rooms and bedrooms and things like that. So we feel like it gives them a comfort level to start off the exam. Also, there's not a lot of smell and there's not a lot of noises. So we don't do boarding here. So a lot of clinics do boarding, and we decided not to do that.
Each one of the doctors really just put their heart and passion into each patient. The amount of care that we can provide with acupuncture, laser therapy, the new treatment that we're doing, the veterinary orthopedic manipulation, brings a new light to what we can offer. Our books aren't closed at one treatment.
When we use holistic medicine versus sending them for chemotherapy every time or whatever, they feel better. Can't always say that they live longer, but we know that they feel better along the way because they're not having to deal with the side effects of chemo. I think most of our clients appreciate every day they can spend, with their pet. Even if we give them a couple extra days or weeks or months, they're so appreciative. It makes you want to cry, but that's what we do.
We have some really amazing patients, and our clients are always supportive of us, whether that's, in person when they see us and saying how much they love us, or on social media or in reviews.
Thank you for trusting us with the care of your pets and being so willing to be open to alternative forms of vet care that you can't really find anywhere else.
I really want to thank our clients for the patience they've had for us in our journey, because we've been in several locations in Shawnee over the years. Then we had a Del City location, and now we've combined those two and pushed, so to speak, our chips all in to own this building and to make it a premier vet clinic. And it is really nice. It's 4,000 square feet. We've got 5 exam rooms, and we have 2 surgery suites, and it's just really a nice facility. If you come here as a new client, you will be impressed.